Huashi 6-axis welding robot can be combined with MIG-TIG welding robot and laser welding robot. The complete welding robot system includes robot, MIG-TIG, or laser welding power source, anti-collision welding gun, vertical or horizontal rotation positioners, sliding rail, welding gun cleaner, and welding fixtures, etc. This machine can achieve automatic welding, with manually loading material and improve welding quality and efficiency. If you are interested in welding robot, please contact us.